Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Pam and today we're going to get right down to it. Why? Well, because I'm hungry, okay? So if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Take a second, do your girl a favor and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell because if you really want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, I'm your girl and I'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is talk about our ingredients. But ingredients for what? Well, you can call this a crustless breakfast pizza or you can call this an omelet. You can call this whatever you want, but I make this at least 3 or 4 times a week because it's one of my favorite breakfasts. It's easy, it's simple, it's quick, simple ingredients that you probably have in your pantry. And I will make sure I have everything in the description so you can make it in your kitchen too. Star of the dish today is pepperoni. It's just like a pizza. It just doesn't have a crust and it's all made in one skillet, quick and easy. We've got our eggs. For cheese, I'm using some provolone cheese as well as some cheddar cheese. I have red, yellow, and orange bell peppers. Now, I usually have green in here, but somebody ate all my green bell peppers, used all my bell peppers, and didn't tell me. So, we don't have those today, but I also will be putting in this little jalapeno pepper. It's a half of a pepper because I used the other half of it the other day. I'm going to chop the whole thing, seeds included, because I want the heat. I also have some purple scallions in here with a couple of green scallions, some onion. We also have some butter and olive oil. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up this pepper right here really quick, and then we can head on over to the stove so we can get this omelet, pizza, crustless, call it what you want, made. All right, we'll be right back. We are at the stove now, so we're going to go in with a little olive oil and a little butter, and we're going to let that heat right on up. While our skillet is heating up, we want to go in and make sure we dice up our pepperonis. Adding in some garlic powder, onion powder, and a little of my special all-purpose seasoning in here. That should do it. Want to go in and give it another stir. Now at this point, make sure everything is down in the bottom of the skillet. Scrape down your sides to make sure you don't have any peppers or anything on the side of your skillet. Going in now with our provolone, we're going to sit that right in the middle and let it melt. Now we're going to go in with our egg. Just pour it all over the top. Make sure your edges are covered. You want egg on the edges of your dish. Cover some of that provolone up as well. We're going to top it off with some of our cheddar cheese here. Put your top on it and let it cook. We'll be back. Go in with a little parsley and just let it cook from here. Okay, we are all done. Coming in for a taste test in just a minute. Look at that, look at that. It's gonna slide right out. Look at that, guys. Slides right out, right out, right out. We are done. Okay, guys, I am out. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Delicious.